This one is orange in color. It does come in a variety of colors. And I'm going to go ahead and connect it to my water hose. And I'm going to go ahead and connect this Dramm wand with it. This one here is going to be a 24-inch wand with a shut-off valve. And then it has the 170 breaker head on it. So let's put it all together and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the water hose looks like. When I try to pull on it, it doesn't want to kink. It actually will go ahead and immediately unkink itself. And you basically just turn the water hose like so, and it'll go ahead and just unkink itself. This is not a lightweight water hose. This is actually an extremely heavy duty water hose. This is a 50-footer. I prefer Dramm over other water hoses. I do have other water hoses, but I prefer Dramm. The other thing I really like about it is that it will withstand the heat up to 160 degrees as far as hot water. And then when I've used them in the nursery, we actually would change them out every 6 years. This is not a lightweight, so don't expect that you're going to be able to coil this up really easily because it doesn't like to do that. You can do huge circles if you're trying to go and coil it up, but not as small as these. It's kind of hard to, you're fighting with the water hose, I guess is kind of how I would explain it. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.